Hello students, welcome back to the e-learning session. In the last video we have discussed about weather. और जिस दिन वेदर का वीडियो बना उस दिन का वेदर आप ही ऑब्जर्व कीजिए. There was a bright sunshine in the morning. In the afternoon it became cloudy and at night it rained. So three different kinds of weather changes were observed in a single day on the day when this video came, when the video on weather came. Okay, now see, this is a monsoon. It should be raining, but the amount of rain this year according to the studies is less in our region, in the region in which we are living. But at some places we know this, that flood came, like Bihar, right, like some other countries as well, like China. The largest dam that they have built, there was a need to open the gates of that dam as well. So you can understand the situation that the whole world is facing due to the changes in the weather and the climate. Okay. Now these changes are dependent on the four factors which we discussed: humidity, rainfall, temperature and wind speed. इस पे डिपेंड करता है वेदर. आज हमारा टॉपिक है क्लाइमेट. वेदर, एज वी हैव डिस्कस दैट इट इज लिमिटेड टू अ पर्टिकुलर प्लेस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आज पुसद का वेदर अलग होगा. यू नो, इफ यू गो टू अमरावती यू माइट फाइंड इट इज रेनिंग. इफ यू गो टू गोवा यू माइट फाइंड द वेदर इज डिफरेंट. इफ यू आर सिटिंग ऑन मरीन ड्राइव इन मुंबई, ओके, एट मुंबई, मरीन ड्राइव एट मुंबई, ओके, सो देयर यू विल फाइंड ह्यूमिडिटी, moisture content is more, humid, गर्मी होने लगेगी. So weather at a particular place depends on lot of factors and the condition of that particular day. But at the same time the climate is constant. What meteorologists do, साइंटिस्ट जो मेटेरियोलॉजी को स्टडी करते हैं, दो साइंटिस्ट हु स्टडी meteorology, that is studying the patterns of the earth and changes in the earth. Okay, so meteorologists, what they do, they keep record of each day. Now that they have a record of a particular day, a particular month, they can take an average. For example, meteorologist ने क्या किया, मिनिमम और मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर एक दिन का रिकॉर्ड कर लिया. ऐसे ही एक महीने तक रिकॉर्ड करते गए. Now they have 30 readings. And by the help of these 30 readings they can find out a mean. They can find out a mean value, and the mean value that they have found out will now be considered for classifying the climate of that place. हमको पता है Sahara is dry desert place. We know this. Northeast is wet. Then Maharashtrian side, or you can see the poles of our country, Kerala at one end, J&K, Jammu and Kashmir at another end. Both of them are cold, right? Kerala rich in biodiversity of plants, क्योंकि वहाँ पर पानी बहुत ज़्यादा होता है तो वहाँ से स्पाइसेस आते हैं हमको, राइट? सो डिफरेंसेस आर देयर. और किस बेसिस पे हम किसी भी जगह को क्लासिफाई कर सकते हैं? ऑन व्हाट बेसिस कैन वी क्लासिफाई एनी प्लेस? ऑन व्हाट बेसिस विल वी क्लासिफाई एनी प्लेस, वेदर इट इज हॉट, वेदर इट इज ह्यूमिड, वेदर इट इज ड्राई, वेदर इट इज वेट, वेदर इट इज कोल्ड? ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ वेदर पैटर्न्स. क्लाइमेट डिसाइड होता है डेली वेदर रीडिंग से, एंड क्लाइमेट इज अ एवरेज वेदर पैटर्न ओवर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. क्लाइमेट, the average weather pattern over a long period of time say for 25 years, or even no need to write this say for 25 years. For understanding we can write average weather pattern over a long period of time इज कॉल्ड एज क्लाइमेट। तो क्लाइमेट क्या है? क्लाइमेट है एवरेज वेदर पैटर्न ओवर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, और उसको ही हम बोलते हैं क्लाइमेट ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर प्लेस। Most of the times it has been observed that climate is not limited to a place, it is limited to a region. हमको पता है हम इंडिया में 3 सीजन क्लासिफाई करते हैं, समर सीजन, विंटर सीजन, स्प्रिंग सीजन रहता है एक, ठीक है, बाहर का मौसम, एंड देन देयर इज अ मॉनसून, स्प्रिंग, समर एंड विंटर, राइट? 4 सीजन्स वी आर क्लासिफाइंग। सो वो सीजन्स क्यों क्लासिफाई करते हैं? क्योंकि उनमें क्लाइमेट अलग है। समर में टेम्परेचर बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, इन कोल्ड द टेम्परेचर ड्रॉप्स और लोअर्स। इन रेनी सीजन most of the time it rains, it is supposed to rain. Now average or mean temperature is taken out of day to day readings. Understand this by a chart that is given on the board now. See now, a table is given, which table is indicating information about the climate of Srinagar from the month January to December, of Srinagar from the month January to December. अब ये क्लाइमेट पैटर्न में आप लोग देखिए 3 कॉलम है। मीन टेम्परेचर है सबसे पहले, मीन टेम्परेचर में 2, मैक्सिमम, मिनिमम, ठीक है, और उसके ही साइड में दिया हुआ है हमको मीन टोटल रेनफॉल, रेनफॉल कितना हुआ है। आई टोल्ड यू yesterday that rainfall is measured by an instrument called as rain gauge. Okay, rain gauge is an instrument just like a measuring cylinder which measures the rain. So the rain gauge is measuring the rainfall, and here the different values you are seeing from January to December in a whole year. And when the whole year data will be studied, then we can classify or we can put forth a common observation that it has been observed that temperature of Srinagar throughout the year has not exceeded 30 degrees Celsius, although at some point it was even in minus during the winter, right? So ये classify कर पाए हम, और on the basis of this we can say that the climate of Srinagar is cold. Okay, so from this table I hope that you have understood that how temperature or how a climate is calculated. Climate बताते कैसे है, right? बताने के लिए, ठीक है, for saying it is a simple word. We can say that this is monsoon, so this region is hot. Okay, although it is a monsoon, but we know that temperature जब यहाँ पे summer में बढ़ता है, so it rises up totally. So this is a tropical region where plants are sufficient, right? But this region is a little slightly we can call hot and humid. Okay, humid conditions है, hot and humid conditions है, so rainfall ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ है, right? So this data will be calculated from January to December, और अभी December तो हुआ नहीं है, January to September. So on the basis of that we can tell that climate of this Maharashtrian region or Vidarbha region is like this. When we will say this, when we will have that sufficient data. जब हमारे पास उतना डाटा होगा तभी हम उसको स्टडी कर सकते हैं, right? Now let us have a look at another example. For example, Rajasthan. Now let us take an example of Rajasthan. Beautiful state with beautiful structures. One must visit Rajasthan once in a life, okay, once in your life, because its beauty lies in its heritage or the culture. So its beauty represents the culture, right? So अब देखते हैं राजस्थान का क्या है. Most part of the year it is having desert region, and most of the times the temperature is high. As the temperature is high, we can call that the Rajasthan particular region or the Sahara desert, due to the presence of desert, that particular region is hot and dry. Hot and dry. Then northeast. Northeast receives rainfall most of the times in a year. So this region can be called as wet, right? So for determining the climate, we need to study what is the average weather pattern. समझ लीजिए, वेदर स्टडी करने के लिए क्लाइमेट की जरूरत नहीं होती है, वेदर फ्लक्चुएट करते रहता है, वेदर इज नॉट कांस्टेंट, बट क्लाइमेट इज अ कांस्टेंट थिंग. सो क्लाइमेट needs to be studied on day to day weather observations. Weather data of the weather will be calculated and totally then a value will be coming out, that is the mean, and then we will find out the climate. Okay, so this was a short video on the introduction of climate, क्योंकि climate समझना बहुत जरूरी है. climate एक एवरेज है वेदर पैटर्न्स का, ठीक है. हम ये नहीं बोल सकते कि आज यहाँ का क्लाइमेट सनी है. नो, वी विल से दैट टुडेज weather is sunny or bright. We cannot call climate, but if you want to say climate of Maharashtrian region is hot, we can say, because most of the times the Maharashtrian region is having the maximum temperature of nearer to 50, right? So we can call it as hot and humid. Okay, hot and humid region we are having, right? So climate of Maharashtra can be told, but we cannot tell weather of Maharashtra, because Maharashtra is a large state in which different places are there and the weather might be different. Somewhere it might be raining, somewhere it might be not. Okay, so this is about the climate. Hope you have understood. In the next video we will discuss climate and adaptation. Okay, chalo, all of you take care. Bye.